Hi there, Josh here with Evergreen Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to use the days function in Excel 2016. First thing we're going to want to try out is just open up a cell, equals days, left parenthesis. It's going to prompt us for an end date. I'm going to select up here a value I've already put in, Christmas, 25th of December of 2018, comma, the start date, and I'm going to select today. Put right parenthesis, enter, and it will give me the result of the function. So I know that as of today, there's 347 days till Christmas. I don't have to worry about it. It's great. The end date and the start date can be a formatted date. It can be a serialized date, and the serialized date is the days after January 1st, 1900 in Excel. And it can also use a now function. Today, formatted general data, and the now function. So how do we use the days function? Well, I have a certain academy. It's called the Red Eye Academy. I teach people how to get a bunch of people on buses and take them on tours. And I have several students, and I'm going to figure out how many days it took them to graduate this academy. So we have Luke. He enrolled on Christmas and graduated the next year. So we're going to put an equals days, left parenthesis, and select the end date. So that would be when they graduated, comma, the start date. They enrolled on that date, and then a right parenthesis to close it. And it took them 169 days to graduate. And we can type in equals days and keep doing that, but we're going to use a handy dandy shortcut of this small green rectangle. We're going to drag that all the way down, and we can see that it dragged that function into each one of these squares. So here we have a couple anomalies. So Luke was fine, Obi-Wan, he was fine. Later, his dates came out pretty robotic. I don't know why. So we're just going to change those to short date, and they kind of fit in. It's still the same data, but we're not seeing the serialized format. We're seeing the formatted data. And we're going to go down and, oh, what is this? Toda? Apparently he enrolled 200 years ago, and he graduated 200 years later. But that doesn't quite work with our function because it will not accept dates before 1900. Just for scenario purposes, we're going to change that to 1900, the earliest date I can give Toda, and it took him 43,000 days to graduate. I'm Josh with Evergreen Tutorials, and now you have an idea of what the days function is in Excel 2016. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.